Hey, what's up, YouTube? Every school in Chicago, Illinois, every Chicago public school and Catholic school and private school is closed today due to the fact of how much snow we got. It's pretty crazy. We got 24 inches of snow, and it's not even done. It's past my fence even. And this is my third time going over the same snow. But here, I'll take you out in front. It's even higher than my fence. And on the news, there were supposed to be 400 snowplow trucks out in the city of Chicago, and they can't even get the streets cleared because we had a blizzard and the wind was just too strong. Snow was blowing everywhere, and it was actually crazy weird thunderstorm. Like, there was rain, lightning, thunder mix while there was a storm. And yeah, but they seem to finally get the busy streets cleared off. But my car is kind of caved in right now, so I gotta get all that out. And then yeah, but you can still see, I don't know if you can hear it, but you can probably hear it through the camera, all the wind blowing around. It's still sort of snowing, but so far we got 30 inches, I believe it was, they said on the news. And at 5 o'clock today, we're supposed to get even more. Oh shit, this wind is strong. Yeah, I'm gonna go because I don't have my gloves on right now, and I'm cold. But after the next snowstorm we have, at the end of it, when I'm shoveling all that crap off and we go over with the snowblower, I'll show you how much we got after that. Alright, see you, YouTube.